Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Yun, right here. Arduino with partly embedded Linux, which is also the reason why you can approach it via network, and you can use USB storage. When you connect it to network, you can use the graphical user interface. You can also use the Linux part by using SSH command and have a dedicated terminal, a secure terminal. It is connected by wires to electronics as well as fischertechnik mechatronics, as you can see. The objective is to read data, to acquire data, store it on the USB stick, which is right here, and then create a nice graph in this case Octave, which is mathematical software. I have tried to use it in GNU, but that has its limitations. I've also tried to use Scilab, which is quite similar to Octave, but where I've managed to read all data into Octave, I have not managed that to do in Scilab. So Scilab is unfortunately now out of scope. This can be improved, and this is this mechatronics with a lamp and a photo transistor. Although I have little doubt about the effect of this, all since another experiment recently showed that the level of illumination by that lamp was not entirely, let's say, convincing to get a nice signal out of the transistor. I was forced to use this flashlight. Not so much in here yet. Would also be somewhat difficult because it's just because of the chain. So maybe that needs a instruction, but main focus is now on the data array in which I gather the data. All is dependent on these two potmeters, which set the voltage level. Also dependent on button, and these buttons are supposed to pause either motor. But the strange thing is that although they are defined in Boolean 1 and 0, yes or no, on or off, the value is not what I expect, not what you should expect. It gets a very big value, at least one of them. Apart from that, I needed to distinguish between the two data sets that I am gathering, and I have been only half successful in that, because only one gives really the start of the data row, while the other number that I have set is not doing so. Maybe it's a setting right here, maybe it's something wrong in the software that I wrote. Anyway, let's make sure that things go. I give some input in the console, then suddenly this is the thing cover for the USB stick. We put it right here, but these LEDs should work, so let me see. Now that works, kind of. and then it is nice if everything works. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite. Although the pulse modulation on the oscilloscope shows there is. Right here and there. These are the potmeter levels. But let's see on screencast whatever I can fix. Alright, so all given input have been expired. I will remove once again the data log. No, I will not. I will show you what is in there. I need this one. So this is all static data. Here it is not all static data, because here I get 1002. Oh, that is better, by the way. So what I have done last time was giving into the value. Oh, that's a good idea. What are the values anyway? And yes, I need first time password. Ooh, 300 baud. Why 300? That is 300 is very small. Okay, this is not. Oh wait, now I get it. It's the same as here. But what I do need is some input so I can check the value. And the value here, data is here 1000. And the other two, the other one, for a value over 100. Oh wait, the potmeter is under 500 here. I need to fix that because my current software setting is only for over 500. So giving some more input, then this, and I didn't change it. Now it is better, over 700. Okay, how did that change? Probably by a slight touch. And it has gone back. Wait, that's not good. How does that happen? Touching is, okay, let it be for now. And then it goes, yeah. Okay, now it looks better. So now I get here 1000 and here, no, here I get 1002. So looking into the other one, I have one line here, or more appropriately, here can I see everything. This is one line, and this is the start of the second line. But that doesn't make sense, because 1000 is the first element of 7 elements. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are these elements? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of elements is correct, but in a row that is. But this doesn't make sense. So what is everything coming with? What is it? Alright, let's do another one. So, okay, I have to hold this. Okay, let's do it like this. A bit further back. So this is 1000. Then data, then 01. 01 is time. It is already the 2000th iteration. Ouch. Alright, 02. Sensor value switch is 1. That is impossible because I didn't even touch it. And reminder, yes, it was already touched, and it was also the case last time. So I need to maybe replace this button, or look at the port to which it's connected, and that is another one. So where are the ports? Okay, the wires look alright. Anyway, then what are we looking at here? 03, right here, sensor value, which is read from here. Okay, so that is alright. Data 4. No. Data 04. Data 4? Where is data 4? Oh, here. Wait. Small mistake. 04. Okay. Is 169. Is coming from where? Output value. Whatever output value is. Oh, define probably. Yeah, output value. Wait. 04. Output value 1. Alright, that is a mapping from the sensor value. Alright. And then there is another 05. Oh wait. Ha! That's a good one. If I have data to fill, then it would be a very good idea to even print it on screen. So I have two more to do. Wait. So this is 5, 5, 6, 6. Then I know what I'm talking about. How about 2? Because those, that one is also going there. Yep, same problem. Not enough data to print on screen. So 5, 5, oops, 5, 6 and 6. Now that is better. That means that I now have to upload and see to my data. Ouch. Okay, everything set? Yes. Then I can upload. All set and done. That means that I have to remove this one. Just clean sheet of data. And this one I have to re-log in. Give some input. See, now I get some nice stuff. So I better have this done otherwise. Next to each other, that is better readable, I think. Yeah, although in tabs it is not bad either. Anyway, now I have all data next to each other as well as here. And then data 2. What is data 2 actually? Yeah, 2 is one of the switches. And one of the switches is either 1 or 0. So this is absolutely nonsense. Oops, I meant this. So where do I see it? Where is that value? Nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. That's the weird part. It's 2, 0, 1, 2. And 2, 3 is the same thing, but for the other input. Because this is input 7, this is input 8. And 2, 3 is 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 4. Where is it? Doesn't make sense. 4 is output value 2. Okay, that makes sense. 5 is sensor value 2. Makes sense. Or does it? Alright. It is time to solve where this is coming from. And include this part. Because I have been ignoring this part. And now I want to see how this behaves. So, time to do some tidying up. And I am good. Not recording, I'll show you afterwards. Okay, I have not just added and completed 1. I have also added 3, which means if sensor value 2 is smaller or equal to 500. Now everything should be complete. Haven't tested it yet. So exit here, remove, and this has no use yet because I haven't done here anything. Only uploaded. And it has compiled correctly, so let's see something here. And what do we have? Alright. Now it suddenly has a 3, a 0. Okay, now this is interesting. I did not touch the electronics. Some better lighting. I did not touch this potmeter. This is potmeter 2. And it has this value now. So it comes with 3, which I just added. And that means that I get all weird data now. Now I can do it like this. Okay. Right, and I have another point which I think of now, because this is 1000, 1002, but this is 1003, and I have 1001 as well now. Why am I not seeing those? Why is this only... This is 1. Oh, now that is interesting. Look here. 1003. Look here. 14,349. Yeah, right. That's not going to work. Oh. No way that's going to work. This is very much unusual, but apart from that, I have here 2 rows. Let me increase that to 4 rows. And here I have now how many rows? 0, 1, 2 is 3 rows. I want 4 rows. 0, 1, 2, 3 is 4 rows. So it should be actually 4 rows of 7 elements. Yeah, okay, let's try again. This is not making any sense. Okay, exit. No, exit here. Remove. And I still haven't tested in Octave, but that's going to be an interesting one as well. So let me prepare Octave. Oh, it's done uploading, that's alright. Some data. Well, this is alright. I haven't touched the pot meters. So now what is going on? 3. 500. I didn't touch the pot meter, how can it change? But it's interesting to see that now it suddenly is 1003. So, what is here the case? Okay, I have 1000, 1002 and 1003. 1001 is missing out. But I have, and why is it missing out anyway? Yeah, alright, 1001 is missing out because of the value of the pot meter, which is over 500, so 1001 should be missing out. And then all values are filled with 0. So that is clear. Very clear indeed. Yes. Although the sequence is, yeah, it's 1000, 1001, oops. Hold on. 1000, 1001, 2 and 3. So at least that is being explained now. Much clearer. Although 1002 should not be there. Oh no, no, it shouldn't be there because it's lower than 500. Oh dear. Okay. Very last part of this is that I have to do Octave. So I have to copy this file here. How big it is, how full it is, I have no idea. Oh, and by the way, I did forget, what you will see, I did forget to set the date, so it will have an unusual date. No, that makes no sense. See, it has a very wrong date. But it doesn't matter, it is all about content now. So let me, and yes, I need to scan for an update as well, so hold on, I need to do something more than that. Yes, quit. And oh, this is going to be interesting because I need to enlarge it. I need not 1, 2 and 3, I need 4 now, or 3 at least. Right. And this makes absolutely no sense. Alright, let me change this to because now I am indeed looking at these rows, which do make sense, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and somehow still an empty 0. So hold. Wait, this should be then 2, yes, and 3, and 4. And then I need different colors. But that is for next time because time is up. But this is what it is going to look kind of. All rows accounted for, finally. That said, values make no sense. Not all of them at least. No, I need this. And yeah, still things to do. So yeah, weird stuff happening. Without touching or really touching the spot meter, it suddenly changes from over 500 to lower than 500. Adding now all four, no, not, yeah, adding 2 more rows to the data array for the data log shows that numbers are not really accountable for or not really reliable, and this one still doesn't run, to my surprise, because the LED is burning. This one doesn't do anything now. So more to do next time. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation to via PayPal or Wired. For more information, please see my website under this video. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or on my website as well as with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. More information, once again, see my website, which is listed under this video, and any other information as well. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.